So welcome everyone to the webinar. It's great to see you all on. Tonight, I'm going to go through a little bit of information which I think is really relevant to your learning about cryptocurrency and what you can do to maximize the benefit of a disruption. I think everyone here is experiencing some form of social or financial disruption, and unfortunately 2021 is going to be an extension of 2020 with a lot more twists and turns for the social fabric and the financial systems that we're presently living through. So what I'm going to quickly do is do a quick screen share and pop into the markets, because I do like starting off with the markets. And the markets are the truth. What people believe things are worth is what we need to be looking at. So as you can see, the markets have moved a lot this week, and I'll talk a bit about that through the today. So I keep my eye on CoinMarketCap 2 or 3 times a day just to see what Bitcoin's doing, Ethereum and Litecoin. They're the coins that we like, and Bitcoin's on a bit of a rock and roll at the moment, which is great. You can do the same thing through another website called CoinGecko. Okay, so you can do that as well. It just gives you a different view of what's going on. So if you don't like CoinMarketCap, then you can go to CoinGecko. So what I'll do is quickly do presentation from the beginning. So welcome to the webinar tonight. Thank you very much for joining. If you're watching this as a recording, I congratulate you on your decision to learn more about cryptocurrency and what cryptocurrency can do for you, what it can do for your family, friends, and ultimately the planet, because that is what cryptocurrency is designed to do, to help everyone. My name's Andrew Squilari. I'm a digital asset strategist. I've been involved with crypto for over 5 years. I've been teaching people about cryptocurrencies for 5 years now, and I love the space. I love what it does and love how it can help you replicate the rewards that I've got out of it, because I am helping you. I'm not a financial advisor, don't do trading advice or any other sort of advice. Make sure you consult your financial advisor or anyone that you believe can give you accurate information about cryptocurrency. If they don't own crypto, then I wouldn't ask their advice, number one. And make sure you talk to your accountant about cryptocurrency, because I do expect you to have a tax problem. A good, positive tax problem is always good. It's always good to pay tax, but you don't pay too much, so make sure you're structured correctly to minimize your tax. Now, we have a problem at the moment is with classic wealth. We have a problem with this, and we need to make sure that we are moving forward, not looking backward. So looking backward is shares and property and cash management. Those areas in our world are not performing like we would expect. Shares and property are going through a very big price rise right now because the governments are putting in this fake quantitative easing programs. They're printing money, and it's going into shares, it's going into property. Companies and people who can borrow are borrowing, and they're just pumping into markets, and the real quantitative easing effect hasn't been felt in the day-to-day living costs, because it's all being swallowed up in capital gains of shares and property. But that is at the top of the cycle. And of course, if you're a retiree or you do have money in the bank, we're at 0.1% interest, and it's reducing dramatically this year. So we're expecting some more rate drops. As an example, if you were to buy property over in Germany right now, it's actually cheaper for someone with money in the bank to lend it to you. They're paying you 1% to buy a property in Germany right now, which is ludicrous for the depositor. The depositor is the people who have generated wealth over 30 or 40 or 50 years, have it in the bank. They've been smart, they've been frugal with their cash management, and now they're getting punished at the worst possible time. The thing you have to think about is, what are you going to do differently from 2020, 2021 and beyond? You cannot do the old system. The old system is broken and gone. It's very volatile, so the new system is moving in, and I'm very grateful that I got involved with cryptocurrency before this first boom. Back here, way back in 2015, I got involved with cryptocurrency. So I got to live through this wave 1 experience, and I'm actually actively involved with the wave 2 right now. So what's happened right now, which makes me so positive about this second wave, is the institutional money managers, people that manage money for wealthy people. Not in Australia, unfortunately. The self-managed super fund people in Australia are not getting involved with crypto because legislation doesn't allow it for those people who are managing our money. But if you have a self-managed super fund, you can definitely get involved with cryptocurrency. Because these larger companies, the institutional money managers, have got involved with crypto, The Bitcoin price is 45,000. Just imagine getting involved in December this year when Bitcoin was just touching $20,000, and now your bank account has more than doubled in the last 2 months. That's the reality of my world, and it could be yours as well. Now, the extra bit that's popped in over the last few months is consumer spending providers like Visa, MasterCard, Square, WeChat, Alipay, and the big one, PayPal, are all involved with providing payment solutions for you to buy cryptocurrency through their platforms. Now, PayPal is the big one. They're selling more cryptocurrency than anyone at the moment, and that competing with Grayscale and MicroChain, there's a big fight on who can buy as much Bitcoin off the market, and that's pushing this price to $45,000, and it will continue to push the price way up dramatically beyond that as well as time goes on. What we're experiencing now is institutional FOMO. If you don't know what this thing called FOMO is, it's fear of missing out. So institutions like all these Fidelity, BlackRock, Grayscale, Visa, MasterCard, Square, many companies now are hedging their cash balances, their cash deposits into cryptocurrency. Many companies are buying cash, but using their cash that's in their bank account to buy cryptocurrencies to hedge against inflation and the instability in the financial market. So they're buying crypto to do that. And the big ones they're using are Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash. So those ones there are the big safe coins that we do talk about when we talk about cryptocurrency. Now, just market size is $1.2 trillion. So only a month or so ago, that was under $1 trillion, and it's huge now. It's really moving a lot. The volume per day is just on $200 billion are traded every day. So that's new money going into the market and people trading their cryptocurrencies. So you can see there's Bitcoin dominance. It's at 68%, which is quite high. That can reduce now. And when that starts dropping down below 68, we're moving into a different form of cryptocurrency purchasing, which is the altcoins. We haven't moved into this thing called the altcoin season, but I should do a video on that and explain what that's all about as well. So the blue chip cryptocurrency is one I love to talk about the most. We've got Bitcoin sitting at 44.7. It's now 45.2 because that was only 20 minutes ago I did this. For the week, we've gone down 5%. For 7 days, it's 3%. So we did have a big rise up here, which I'll talk about soon. We've got Ethereum at 13.78, so down again for the week, which is great, good buying time. And the last one, 178 for a Litecoin. Again, big time down on the week. So whenever things drop down that much, you know that you should be buying. So we'll talk about Bitcoin a bit. So we've got Bitcoin here. 3 months ago was ridiculously just on $16,000. Now it's at 44,800 today. So it is moving a bit over 45,000 right at the moment. So it has moved up a lot in 3 months. Happy days for people that got involved then, but definitely a lot of good movement above 44,000 with Bitcoin into the near future as well. But Ethereum, 535 to 1376. It did top out the other day just on $1,700. So it's still got a bit of room to get back to this high it experienced recently. So it's definitely moving up as well. And the last one, which I like Litecoin the most, to be honest, and it went from 70 bucks a few months ago up to 178. It's $100 a coin extra, and it topped out at 220 bucks only recently too. So it's got some good movement north as well. So happy days for those people who got involved with blue chips through the bundle. But I like the Dacxi platform. That's what I want to talk about a bit about now, where I like to store and purchase my cryptocurrency through, because Dacxi is the world's first crypto wealth platform. It's designed to make purchasing, storing, and selling cryptocurrency for retail investors very easy. I like it because it's very simple to use our platform. We have an A+ security rating, which means your technology interface between you and the exchange is very, very safe. So we don't collect any of your data. We make sure that what you do is very safe and secure. And that's why I like the Dacxi platform, because we do have that A+ security system. We also have a Dacxi wealth system that gives us confidence. So there's a lot of confidence building, unstoppable confidence in cryptocurrency. You can actually join webinars, get involved with the training on the platform, join other training events as well, live events as well, just to understand more about cryptocurrency so that you can have a lot more confidence with the purchasing and make bolder moves into cryptocurrency and be very, very confident that those moves are true and accurate for yourself. The big thing about the Dacxi platform, we're expanding to over 100 platforms in the new this year and beyond, 50 this year, and then the rest the following years. These platforms are all to be interlinked with the Dacxi coin, and that's a really good thing because it is a wealth creation platform using crowd finance in equity and lending, and we're using the Dacxi coin for that. So 100 platforms all interlinked with the Dacxi coin, a big growth potential for the exchange. Of course, the exchange coin is going to be very valuable, and what you create out of that is going to change the way we connect up with the world globally with new technologies and funding that we can provide startup companies. Now, just to make things easy, again, Dacxi's thought that the best way for someone to get involved with cryptocurrency is a portfolio investment. So we've got a portfolio, a wealth builder pack called the Blue Chip Bundle. You've got Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and some Dacxi coin. And we get a 10% additional DAC coin allocation as well when you purchase that Blue Chip coin. Some people aren't really confident with cryptocurrency, so we have a precious metal bundle again, which is platinum, silver, and gold. So these are tokens represented by ownership of gold, metal, platinum, and silver in the Perth Mint in Australia. Again, you get some Dacxi coin as well with the 10% bonus, so there's some good incentives for you there. You need to have some high growth in all portfolios, and that's what the Dacxi coin is for. And the last one is wealth transformation. I love the DAC pack, not because it's just used for crowd financing, but because you get an extra 50% coins at the moment by purchasing one of these packs. So if you were to buy a DAC pack, you get 50% extra coins on the day that you purchase those coins. So that's a really big incentive, and there's a big use case for the Dacxi coin, and there's a big future for the Dacxi Exchange globally. So select a program that resonates with you the most and go through the process of verifying and opening your account. To just talk about how you buy, someone has talked to you about tonight about the video, and they've shared you with this video about cryptocurrency. So you would have a partner link that you would fill out, and in that partner link, you would select one of the programs that resonates with you the most. You would actually type in the amount of money you wish to purchase. On the first time and subsequent times, it's a top up, but the first time you fill out the amount here, you click on next. When you fill out next, you actually have to open up and create an account. So you can do company accounts, personal accounts, and also self-managed super fund and trust accounts for Australia. Put in the email you want associated with the account, a 12-digit password, one capital, one number, and one symbol. Do that twice. Make sure you read the terms and conditions. Don't be mindless and just tick it. Read the terms and conditions. Usually you'll have the referral code in this link here. If not, just type in the email of the person that introduced you to Dacxi there. Just confirm what the email address they want in there, and you open up the account. Once you've opened up your account and verified that account, which is a very simple 5-minute process, Dacxi will allocate your coins into your account for the first purchase. For your subsequent purchases, you click on the top up button up here, type in the amount you want to fund. Dacxi will provide you with the bank account details, and most importantly, a unique reference code to put money into your top up account. Then you can go over to buy and sell, which is just over here, and buy the appropriate program or the appropriate coins according to your desires. Congratulations, you've switched from Aussie dollars over to cryptocurrency. You're out of the system. You're in a decentralized world in control of your finances for now and forever. It's an exciting time for me, and it's certainly going to be an exciting time for you once you understand and develop some cryptocurrency confidence. Thank you for being open to learning. Plan for the future. Take action now. Now is very, very important. For additional information, go to Dacxi.com. The What We Do tab is very important. Go through the customer learning area there. There's actually a partner learning area as well, but go through the customer learning area there as well. Make sure you do the test. Go to Dacxi Global, subscribe and like and get notifications on that channel, and also the Dacxi Global YouTube channel as well. So make sure you get into those areas and subscribe and like them. All the best. Appreciate your time. Get back to the person that shared this video with you. I hope you understand a bit more about cryptocurrency, a bit more about the world markets, and I'm excited for you and the future that we both share. Take care. Bye-bye.